Day at the Beach, written and illustrated by Tom Booth. One sunny morning on a quiet, sandy beach, as sleepy seagulls swooped and swayed to the soothing sound of the waves, Gideon and his sister Audrey raced toward the ocean. "Look out! Make way!" Every summer, Gideon and Audrey would build a sandcastle together. Gideon made sure each tower stood straight, every wall was level, and all the castle sides were smooth. Audrey made sure the castle sparkled with shells, sea glass, and a starfish on the top. But this summer, Gideon had a different plan. He was going to build the most stupendous sandcastle the beach had ever seen. Alone. All by himself. No Audrey. "Sandcastles are serious business," he told his sister. "Go play with Mom and Dad. The new king of the beach has work to do." Audrey marched off. Gideon started digging, shoveling, burrowing, tunneling, piling, and scooping. He made sure each tower stood straight and every wall was level, and just as he smoothed out the sides of the castle, "Heads up, kid!" "Sorry, kid. Next time don't build so close to our game." "Nah, that was just a practice castle," Gideon replied. He picked up his tools, walked farther down the beach, and started all over again. Gideon made sure every tower stood straight and every wall was level, and just when he smoothed out the sides of the castle, thump! His second castle didn't last much longer than the first. His third castle would have been perfect, but it was swept away with the tide. His fourth castle would have won awards, but it shrank beneath a passing shower. And his sixth castle? Woof! Gideon's patience had run out. He grabbed his bucket and shovel, then set out to look for a new spot where nothing and no one could interrupt him. "That's it!" And finally he found one. "Perfect," Gideon said. He quickly got to work. "Wait until Audrey sees this. I am truly the king." Gideon built and he built and he built, and then he built some more. He made sure every tower stood straight and every wall was leveled, and as he smoothed out the sides of the castle, everyone on the beach started to walk over. "Awesome! Whoa! Come and see what this kid has built." "You are king of the beach. How did you do that all by yourself?" Gideon loved the crowd's chants and cheers, but then he spotted Audrey building a sandcastle with their mom and dad, and suddenly Gideon was feeling very lonely. He jumped down and walked across the beach. Audrey's castle didn't have straight towers, level walls, or smooth sides, but it did look like fun. Gideon glanced over his shoulder at his castle. Then he looked at Audrey's. "Room for one more?" he asked. Audrey grabbed the bucket from her big brother. "On one condition," she said with a grin. "We finish building it together."